Hi everybody. Time to replace some bearings. Replacing the lower and upper tapered steering stem bearings, and removing the race, and installing the new race. You'll need a couple of special homemade tools. This is a special tube. This one won't hurt the busket, it's only contacting with the race. Very easy to install the race with it. That's all. Here is my other special tool. Job is done in a second. Also, a race puller, some homemade tool, 10,000 inch smaller than the race diameter, easy to press both, top and bottom race properly. All done, this is it. Ready to ride, and I saved some money. I guess the dealer charged few $100 for this job.